Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Welcome back to my channel, girl. Gang. Hold on. Welcome back to my channel, Real Gang. It's your girl, Perp Queen. Yeah, that's me. And today we have a little mini seafood boil. Not a lot. Got some king crab, some shrimp, potatoes, eggs, mushrooms. And yeah, the only thing I'm missing is some sausage. Yes, I said mushrooms. I just found out months ago that mushrooms is good in your seafood boil. And I have my the bam sauce right here. I made it differently this time. Hopefully it's good. So this video is going to be short and quick. I had another topic to talk about, but since I'm going through it right now, so I'm going to discuss that. It's just like a question. Well, it's not even a question. It's a pet peeve that I have. If you make plans with someone and plans change, and that person don't tell you plans change and they just did something at the last minute, and it's like, that ain't what you told me. So since your plans change, my plans gotta change. If I say that we go do this day, you don't come a day or two earlier or whatever, do what you want to do and just expect me to oh, well, I don't know how to say it. It's just like I said, and then something happened. I understand something happened the day before or whatever the situation may be. Okay, that's understandable, but I'm already doing what I'm doing. And I'm planning for you the next day. But the day that I'm already doing what I'm doing and you come the day before we plan, it's like, that's kind of irritating, because now I'm supposed to start what I'm doing and I already had plans for us the next day, but you just pop up the day before. That's kind of irritating, because you don't know what I had going on. You didn't even tell me ahead of time. A few hours ahead of time before they showed up in town, but I wouldn't expect them to come in town, say, today. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to rush and everything, but a little bit of it. I just don't like plans change on me. I don't like people popping up. That's one thing. I don't like people popping up on me, for real. Oh, I hate these. These are so freaking spicy. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna probably have to just cut this video now, and I'll be right back. That butter sauce is fire. My butter sauce is always fire. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna just do my video. They gonna have to wait. Period. I am not on nobody's time but my own time. It's Mother's Day weekend. There's people's birthdays and stuff coming up. And all of that. And I'm just not for her birthday. Mother's Day. Because the people's birthdays. It was my sister's brother's birthday. My sister don't stay in Chicago. And my brother, he here in Chicago, but he too wild for me. I'm gonna let him enjoy his birthday with his people. I just watch the lives. I am in two different lanes. I didn't doubt that life no more. Just poke myself with a spike. Oh, I forgot my scissors. Well, my scissors right there, but I forgot my cracker. I got that mushroom. Y'all sweet. Try it with mushrooms, y'all. I'm telling y'all. See how juicy? I'm finna say something, but that wouldn't sound right. Fuck it. I'm for and say bust in my mouth. But y'all know what I mean. Y'all see me eating the mushroom, busting in my mouth. But the original topic that I was going to talk about. Well, I'm gonna talk about because I got time. Like I said, they go wait. It's like I'm at work. Somewhere on that already. Paul Christian. Now I ain't gonna lie. I've been following Christian since her ass was on Blueface Club. Since she been messing with him. Y'all. This is good. The shell not too hard. It's thin and soft. It's just them spikes. But I was skeptical about her being pregnant. That's why I never did no video on that. To say my predictions like everybody else saying. But she pregnant. And it's like, I feel if she wanted to get an abortion, she would have been got it. Get some little lemon. I mean, she saw everything that's going on behind her relationship, behind closed doors and everything. So you choose to not even make that appointment. You choose to still deal with what he got you going through and everything to 20 weeks. And now you see 20 weeks, I bet it's too late to get an abortion. I don't condone it. It ain't too late. But still. Yeah, she said some stuff back in a couple of years ago when Jaden got pregnant the second time by him. They want to speak on that. But this is Christian 2 years later after she said that. You know, some people, she was in her emotions when she said that. Not knowing if she was in the same situation, what would she do? So, I guess some people put their foot up their mouth too quick, speak on shit too quick. But for both of them to come to her, it's about a sob story. This Blueface saying sob story. She knew what she was doing when she clocked in, type shit. Jay don't actually want to say some shit. This is good. I feel like it's all for clout. Cause ain't no way in hell she finna be going through all of this and still there. Probably for Crazy in Love, Zeus or whatnot. Cause they film it as like now, as we speak. We probably ain't gonna see that shit till the end of the year. Hell knowing Zeus next spring. But it really ain't, because she really laughed. She turned into a fucking left eye. she burnt his plaques down and everything. But my thing is, people look at their son as a joke and Blueface as the GOAT. That's crazy. Because I don't know how to say it. This shit's all just toxicity and stuff. They shouldn't bring no baby in the world. Like if he not gonna love that baby and cherish that baby, you know, try to protect him and take care of him, fuck child support. And I'm not saying abortion is okay. She can keep her baby and not have to still fuck with that, like deal with that dumb shit. Period. But he telling her that she gonna have to start working and shit. He be damned if his baby be on private jets, work tour buses and shit like that. Which one is it? First you didn't give a fuck about the baby. Now you worry about her having a baby since you don't want to watch him. He or she, while she go to work. So she's still finna do her mommy duties. Still get that bag and still take care of her baby. Period. What you mad for? She ain't leaving it with her mama or nothing like that. No nanny, anything. Her baby is there. And where you at? Up another bitch ass. So it's like, why you worried about it? Like, for real, for real. Let me get another crab before I go. Well, they ain't gonna get into it. Finish the one I started on. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I'm sorry, guys. How you guys doing, World Gang? I just went in real quick. Well, I didn't go in. I was just cleaning, cooking. Wasn't expecting nothing today. But surprise, I just don't like people popping up in my house. Let me know when you coming. Well, yeah, I can understand hours before, but it's a whole 48 hours early. So, that's all I'm saying. Sorry for the smacking, y'all. So good. When I eat crab legs, period, the best part is the top part. Because it does have a lot of meat. I think this will be my last video that I'm record this week. So, queens, mothers, I hope you enjoy your weekend. Hope you get like amazing, awesome gifts from your kids. I hope your kids appreciate you and cherish you and show you why they feel, you know, appreciate you on that day. So their appreciation for you being their mother and all that you do for them. So I hope you guys have them type of kids. I know it's hard to show it sometimes. I wonder if that thing gonna work. It was something like, wait. No, I just splashed goddamn seafood juice everywhere. I swear the scissors right there. I don't feel like getting them. like, comment. If you haven't already and you're new and you're hearing this, subscribe, girl or boy. King or queen, subscribe. Ooh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ooh. I should do it from this end. I know I probably make some ugly faces. I'm trying to get this crack, and I don't want it to splash on my face. What the hell? These are the only thing about king crabs. You gotta cut them and do all this extra shit to them. And with the snow crab, you just crack the motherfucker and it just be okay. But yeah, there's tweets. Every time I see Blueface go live, it blows the fuck out of me. I swear to God, I do. It's like, just like she said one time, like, how is you talking about me laying right next to me? Like, bro, be for real. Like, on Twitter, reading my nigga the shit, and it's like, for real? You do know I'm right here, right? Like, we right next to each other. I can see what you just said. Like, what the fuck? Whoa. Man. Like, they need prayer. Like, a lot of freaking prayer. A lot. I only got that much storage left. That goes to show that I got videos that I need to go ahead and post up. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all waiting for me, but I promise y'all when I drop them, I'm gonna drop them. Because it's about 5 or 6 good videos. I should get some more subscribers off of them. Got special guests and stuff, you know. I didn't even look at the video yet. We was tipsy. Now I know that ain't honking for me. My seasons be so good. You can see the seasoning on the strip before I even dip it. But yeah. They need a lot of prayer. And they need to stay there off the fucking internet. It ain't more so her, it's him. Like, this the mother of your child. You realize talking about her like this? Trying to click clout. Then something about she want her money all of a sudden now. And it's a money thing. Like, you pimping her. You know, she blew up off of Blue Club House or whatever the fuck it was. But woman, you know her. Do Fantasia or American Idol. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. y'all. I'll be back with another one. Probably the same ones, because I still, well, the rest of them is my family, so this is my little what's the name. I might finish it late night. Do it short or something with the rest of it. Tonight, something like that. Once I finish dealing with these people that's gonna come in the house, Sugar Bear, my kid. My dog, got to my dog outside for a walk. All type of stuff. It's gonna be a long night. But guys, enjoy your day, night, afternoon, wherever you're watching this video. Once again, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I love you for even taking the time out and do that. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Click the notification so you can know when I upload a video. Comment what you like, what you don't like, what you're doing for Mother's Day. And what else? Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys, Royal Gang. It's your girl, Perp Queen. Yeah, that's me. Until next time, guys, be safe.